Hey YouTube, it has been quite some time since I posted due to a whole heap of different reasons, but Mommy Show is back! And today's video is about how I prepare synthetic hair for braiding. So I'm not going to talk the whole video, and I've sped up most of the process or it would just be way too long. But if you didn't know, most, if not all, hair manufacturers, they coat the synthetic hair with a chemical called alkaline lye. Feel free to do your own research, but they do this to create a heat and a wear resistant product. However, this added component can make your scalp very dry, can make it irritated, itchy. So I always use step one, a mixture of warm water and apple cider vinegar to remove the chemical. And then an optional step two is I use our regular shampoo and conditioner just to give it a nice smell. A few tips are to leave the rubber bands on the braiding hair. It helps it to stop from getting matted and stuff like that. Also, because the video is sped up, it might look a bit rough, but I am being very, very delicate with the hair. I'm treating it as if it's coming out of somebody's scalp, so don't be too rough. I hope this can help somebody, and look out for our next video about how I install the hair. Oh, and just right here, can you see all those chemicals? That's what it is. That's what you need to soak off. So yeah, guys, hope you're doing well in this lockdown and staying safe, and I'll see you in the next video.